prepare tools before installation, fill water with a few drops of soap into a spray bottle, spray water on the adhesive surface. Also spray some water evenly on the glass. Before paste the film, wipe off the water on black connect board. Also wipe off the water on the glass where paste the connect board. After position the film, evenly spray water on the film surface. Firstly, scrape out the water at the connection parts between the board and the film, and then scrape out the water in the film. When scraping, should scrape it hardly and fast. When you scraped out all the water, overall check carefully, ensure that all the water is completely removed and there are no bubbles in the film. When the power box installed on the top must be fixed with glass glue. Scrape flat the glass glue, clean up the spilled glass glue on the board. There are 3 installation methods here. Put the power box on the top, bottom and by side. When power box installed on the top, must be fixed with glass glue to prevent falling off. Before installing the power box, must clean the spilled glass glue on the connect plate. After, pasting the film and applying glass glue. Let it sit for 24 hours. Ensure all the water inside is filmed and glass glue has dried. After installation, remove the back protective film from the corner. The products will look more transparent. Spray some alcohol on the edges of the LED panes. Slowly peel along the edges. Please remove the film and hub carefully and slowly to avoid breaking the circuits. Spray alcohol on a dust-free cloth. And then wipe the film surface. Precision electronic products should handle carefully. Products can be bent, but do not folding. Do not twist or bend the connection part of hub and LED panel. Do not fold the connection area between the hub and the LED panel.